way to be nicer to your spouse is to be curious about those times where you show up not nice. That there's something to that. There's something happening inside of you, either as a result of experiences that you have had with your spouse or as a result of experiences that you've had with others other than your spouse that you bring in consciously or unconsciously into your relationship. You can't just like will yourself to be nicer to your spouse. I mean, you can have some impulse control and learn to guard your words and be nicer or kinder in the words that you choose, but that doesn't change the heart and what it is that you feel with your spouse in those moments. It just changes what happens on the outside. And to really have the healthy, intimate, close, fun, connected relationship that you would like to have with your spouse, you got to get curious about what's happening inside in those moments that create that tension that results in you showing up not nice with them, so that you can care for and address those things. And out of a genuine place in your heart, the kindness and care and compassion and empathy, even in moments where you feel frustrated or angry with your spouse, show up, not in a fake way where you're just masking what you're feeling in here, but in a genuine way because you've worked through the things that previously came out in unkind ways.